upset. She's calling up about something that you said, and she doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in my room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like, and she'll never know your story like I do. 'Cause she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see that I'm the one who understands you, baby, all alone. So why can't you see you belong with me? Walking the streets with you on your worn out jeans. Can't help thinking this is how it ought to be. Laughing on a bar bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? You've got a smile that can light up this whole town. I haven't seen her in a while since she brought you down. You say you're fine, I know you better than that. Hey, what you doing like a girl like that? She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about it when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see that I'm the one who understands you, baby, so why can't you see you belong with me? Standing by and waiting at your back door all this time, but could you not know, baby, you belong with me, you belong with me.
All right, thank you very much, Morgan. And now I'd like to introduce Elliot, and Elliot's going to play for us Atacama Desert. So let's welcome Elliot Spear.